In this video, you will learn how to build surveys. Surveys are landing pages that are used to gather feedback from your customers and prospects so that you can serve them better. A survey form can be combined with information and data fields, as you will see in this example. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on my top menu here, Design Studio, and then I'm going to come down and select Landing Page Forms and Survey Builder. Now we have my folders here, and we have our templates down here. We can also start with a blank layout by clicking here, but I'm going to go ahead for this example and choose from my Surveys folder. And then I'm going to select Survey Example 1 and click Next. I am now in my landing page builder, and here I'm going to go ahead and show you how to edit survey questions already on the landing page. Now, this landing page has 4 data fields, as you can see: first name, last name, email address, as well as phone number. And then I have 3 questions already available. So to edit those questions, I'm simply going to double click on that question, and I can change my question by highlighting and deleting here. I can change my response type, whether it be radio button, checkbox, drop down, or text area, as well as changing my responses down here. I can add other by checking this box, or I can add more responses if I wanted to. Another great feature is have this checkbox checked if you want response required. And question formatting is a great tool as well. You can actually change the layout of your question. Now when I'm done making these changes, I'd add my question to form by clicking here, and my changes will be reflected on my landing page. Now let's take a look at how easy it is to add a new question to the survey form. What we'll want to do is simply drag and drop this Add a Question link to our canvas, and a blank form will be displayed. This is where we'll want to enter our new question here, and then we have to choose which response type we'd like to see. Now the different response types are these: radio button, that allows the user to select one but from multiple choices, as well as the checkbox, where that allows the user to select multiple responses. Then we have the drop down that allows one choice but from a drop down similar to the one we're using right now. And the last is the text area, into which the user can enter any info. Now after we select the response type and how we want it to be displayed, we're going to want to enter our responses here. And if we need more areas, all we have to do is click on this plus sign to add more. And maybe we want to add other at the end. For maybe a free form response, we'll simply want to check this box. To choose which response you would like to be the default when the form is opened by the user, you simply want to check the default box here, and then the appropriate radio button. Once we're finished, you'll want to add that question by clicking on Add Question to Form here, and then you can place that question and response anywhere on the form. Please note, add in form fields to a form is covered in another how-to video. Now, the last thing to do to complete this form is simply to add a submit button. And to do that, we'll want to come over here to the Add Submit Button link, drag and drop it onto the canvas. Our submit button gallery will come up, and we can either upload images or you can use images that we provide you with. If the submit button is blank, like the ones you see here, you'll simply want to add text and place it on top as you would if you were creating a regular text frame. What's great about the submit button is it has special pre-programmed functionality to talk store the information from the form into the database. All the survey data that is collected is stored for each contact and also summarized in the form survey response report. In order to view this report, I'm going to want to go up to my top menu options here and click on Reports. And then I'll want to select a campaign that was deployed that had a survey form. So if I click on my March Reports Review, I'll see it displayed here, and then I'm going to want to click on the More link here. This will open my campaign analysis report for the launch of the campaign. This provides statistics about that campaign. Now if I come down here and click on my Forms Survey Response Report, I will see the form in the survey data report. Move that over here. This report shows how your viewers responded to the survey question. Each question and responses are listed as in the counts as well as in the percentages, as you can see here. Now, if I click on this icon in the chart column, you will see the pie chart and the responses for that question. Down here on the bottom half of the report, it shows the data as entered into the form fields. The form feature combined with these reports is a very powerful feature that will help you gather leads as well as information about your users and how you can help or serve them better. Thank you for watching this video, and as you can see, it's easy to create surveys using MyBizPromos.